Hello friend, my name is Ijaz and welcome to my channel Pro Learner. In this video we will discuss two HTML tags. First is div and second is span. We will see how we can use div tag, how we use span tag, and we will discuss the application of div tag and span tag. Without further delay, let's start. First of all we see what is div tag. Div is the div tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document. What does it mean? We can, if we have something like this, okay, we have something like this. This is our this is our HTML page, and if we want to divide, this is the heading where the title and all display. And if we want to divide this as a this, okay, if we want further divide this and this, how we can do this? We can do this with the help of div tag, okay, and this is a closing tag, okay, div. Okay, now we can see what is div. It is nothing but it is a contain. It contains something like this. If I have like div, in div I have h1 tag, I have paragraph tag, or this is also a closing tag. Okay, p tag, closing tag, and I have image tag. Okay, and so on. Then if I want to wrap this in a single division, for example, like this is my web page and I want this in this section, and I want different thing in this section, I want these in this section, so I use division tag to wrap this in this division. This is called container of the HTML element or HTML tag. Okay, and after that we see the this type of web page we can create with the help of division div tag. Okay, and after that we have span tag. Our div is a block tag because it have the block of the line. If we provide div for a single line, it contain the whole line, and the other tag is displayed after this line. If we want something in the same line, we use span. Okay, it is again a closing tag, span. If we want to manipulate, if we want to style a text in a paragraph, in heading, we use span tag, span. Okay, this is similar to div, but it is inline tag and division is block type tag. Okay, now we will see practically how we implement this. Now first of all we see what is division tag, and then we see span tag. Okay, first I use div. In div I use h1 tag, and in h1 this is first division. Okay, and I can copy the path and paste it here. Now you see First I have this division. In this division I provide style, background color set as a black and text as a white, and provide the border as 1 pixel solid red. You can clearly see this is 1 solid pixel red. Okay, and after that I have another div. In div I provide the background color green and text color as a 10, and here I provide the 2 pixel solid black as a border. You can see here. Okay, this is how we can use division tag and style with the help of CSS, and we can use class and ID to provide different style with the help of CSS. Th- This will we will this thing we will discuss in our future video. And after that, now we see span tag. Okay, here in span, first I provide this heading text and provide the span, and I color this text as a blue and background as a black, as a red. Okay, and after that I have this paragraph tag. Within paragraph tag I have a span tag. Here I increase the font size of the paragraph, you can clearly see. And after that I provide the background as a black and color as a white. You can do same with the help of class and ID. That's it for today's video. If you learn division and span tag, please like this video, subscribe my channel, share with your friend. Bye bye.